Every nation has a sound, a song that carries its soul. For Vietnam, that sound was born in fire, in sacrifice, in the yearning for freedom. On September 2nd, 1945, as President Ho Chi Minh declared independence, one song rose into the air. Tienquanca, the marching song, the anthem of a new nation. Its creator was not a soldier, not a general, but a 21-year-old musician named Văn Cao. In the winter of 1944, encouraged by Vietnamese cadre Vu Quai, he was asked to write a song, simple enough for soldiers to sing, yet powerful enough to awaken a people. In a small loft on Nguyen Thuong Hien Street, Văn Cao worked tirelessly. He recalled later, "I had never been to the war zone. I had not met our soldiers. I only knew the narrow streets of Hanoi. I simply tried to write a song they could sing together, a song of hope." The first lyrics were fierce, raw, fueled by the anger of famine and colonial rule. But as the song spread, its words evolved from rage to resilience, from vengeance to unity. It became not just a call to arms, but a promise for generations. On August 17, 1945, the song was sung publicly for the very first time. Tens of thousands stood in silence, then roared in chorus, their voices shaking the city. And on September 2nd, 1945, Tienquanca thundered through Ba Dinh Square, performed by the Liberation Army Band as the red flag with a yellow star was raised. In 1946, the first constitution declared, "The national anthem is Tienquanca." Since then, through division and reunification, through hardship and glory, the anthem has endured. It has outlived empires, wars, and storms of history, yet its flame still burns bright. But the song is not only for solemn ceremonies or battlefields. It is alive. It beats in the daily life of Vietnam. You hear it in the echo of school drums every Monday morning, in the opening of each academic year, and at great national events, National Day, party congresses, parades, and memorials. It flows through television broadcasts that bring the anthem into every home. You hear it when stadiums across Asia fall silent, then erupt with pride as Vietnamese athletes win gold at the SEA Games, Asiad, or historic football triumphs like the AFF Cup and SEA Games 2019. Each time, the anthem becomes an emotional bridge, uniting millions of hearts. You hear it in diplomacy, welcoming world leaders at ASEAN, APEC, and UN meetings, and in global arenas where Vietnam's presence is carried by its cultural, youth, and sports delegations. For overseas Vietnamese, the anthem is an invisible bond, tying them to the soil of their ancestors and the dreams of their children. From classrooms to stadiums, to the global stage and across oceans. Tienquanca reminds every Vietnamese we belong to a nation that has risen from ashes, and we are still marching forward. For the young, it is a rhythm of identity. For the old, it is a memory of sacrifice. For all, it is a bond stronger than distance, stronger than time. No matter where Vietnamese people gather, in Hanoi, in Saigon, in Paris, in California, when the anthem begins, hearts beat together. One song, one flag, one nation. What about your national anthem? Do you know the story behind it? We believe every anthem carries a special meaning. We'd love to hear about yours in the comments below this video.